Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the approximately 100 plus ideas of haircuts. Short haircuts, long haircuts, short bob haircuts. You know the pixie cuts is very most trending in 2023 to 2022. Hope you like the video. If you have any question about my collection, then ask me in comment box. All about the haircuts and all about the fashion. Everyone like fashion. Everyone like trending ideas of haircuts about fashion. So guys, I collect the beautiful ideas of haircuts, trending haircuts. And every girl likes so beautiful in short haircuts. And you can have anything you want in life if you look so amazing. And style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Fashion is like eating, you don't stick to the same menu. So, guys, if you are bored with your old haircuts, then your first priority and your first responsibility about your personality to cut a new haircut. My YouTube channel provides you the ideas of haircuts. Take a screenshot and go to the salon and take a beautiful haircuts that suit on your face. So guys, watch my videos on daily basis. Make it simple but significant. A great dress can make ideas are so looking gorgeous. So guys, thank you so much guys to watch the video and to like my video and likes my YouTube channel. So guys, if you have any trouble then ask me in comment box. Watch the video. If you like on my YouTube channel, then please like, share, and comment. One of the bestest platform on YouTube, that is Top Fashion Collection. Hairstyle is very important. Hairstyle is very amazing, and the right hairstyle can make a plain woman beautiful and the beautiful. So guys, I when you are bored with your old haircut, when you are bored with your life, then you change your haircut. It keeps life more exciting. The most beautiful makeup for any woman is her natural hair and natural beauty. A new hairstyle is like a new relationship, and it